everyone! Guess who's back? Like it or hate it, I'm back on YouTube. So welcome back to my channel. My name is Mandy. Many of you may know me under my brand name, which is Brick Road Co. And for the longest time, this has been a primarily reselling related YouTube channel with a few other things sprinkled in here and there. And then I took some time off of YouTube. For several reasons, I took a little bit of a break, but I'm happy to be back. If you have stuck around as a subscriber, I thank you from the bottom of my heart. And I really appreciate the support in the past and the fact that you're still subscribed to me, whether you remembered you were or not. And if you are a new viewer and you like what you see, I would love if you hit that subscribe button. If you want notifications of my recent uploaded videos, you hit that bell notification and that will actually give you a notification when I upload new content. I just wanted to talk a little bit about, I guess, really the reasons why I took a little bit of a break off of YouTube to begin with. I had incredible success on TikTok and the app itself was exploding and my account was exploding over there. So I was really focusing on consistently posting content over there, and because it is shorter format, vertical form videos, it just really was difficult to try to cross any of that over to YouTube. And in addition, I had a few viral videos on TikTok, one of which was to customize Hey Dude shoes. So if you've seen that, hey, it me. That actually converted into, we're still making Hey Dude custom shoes. So it's been over a year of consistent sales and the first few months were incredibly wild. So we are now making a few pairs a week, but we're still making custom shoes from that one video. And it wasn't even my most viral video. People were really liking my DIY content and my reselling content over on TikTok. So I was really focused on that app for some time. In addition to the viral video and the Hey Dude shoes, with everything that's been going on in the world the past 2 years, I really wanted to look into having a few in-person opportunities to branch out my business once, you know, the world was opening back up again. So I actually branched out and have some of my products in a local plant store called Horsetooth Stem and Roots, which is in Old Town Fort Collins. And then I also have a vintage booth where you can purchase items that I've curated. And going forward, I am really eager to see where Brick Road Co. goes as a business and a brand, and I have a lot of exciting things coming up in 2022, so I can't wait to take you along that journey with me. Good, bad, ugly, behind the scenes, all of that stuff. So I also got a tattoo, so if you see that, I've gotten a couple new tattoos since the panini started. You know, just coping the way a tattoo girl likes to cope. Now that I'm back, my YouTube channel is going to have a little bit of a shifted focus. I kind of tried to return to YouTube once and shift that focus, and I wasn't able to do that at that time. So I feel like I have better setups for YouTube filming. I feel like my daughters are more on board with filming with me again, and I want to make content that's reflective more of the overall brand Brick Road Co. and myself personally and my family. Because reselling is just like 1/7 of all of the things that I do with my career and in my life. I just hate to exclude all these other fabulous portions of my life that I think I could take you all along on the journey for. So I hope you enjoy what I have coming down the pike. And I'm going to be doing a lot of different things. So some of the things that you're gonna see on here will be just like random vlogs. So it might just be like, I'm going thrifting today, or like a mini vlog for like the day in my life. A lot of what I do is related to sewing, crafting, and DIYs. So you're gonna see a lot of how-tos and behind the scenes and vlogs about those types of things. I will take you thrifting with me now and again when I do that. I don't do it as much as I used to, but I still do thrift quite often for all aspects of my business. I'm gonna be kicking everything off with the biggest announcement probably of my entire career. I'm going to close up with just thanking you for watching my little brief announcement, and your kid's coming back, the comeback kid, I don't know. Either way, I'm back. Consider yourself warned. I will be releasing a very, very big announcement this weekend, both on IGTV and on YouTube. So the way to know when that happens would be to hit that bell notification or go over to my Instagram and turn on post notifications. That way you know when I announce perhaps the biggest thing to ever happen to me in my entire career. And I'm really, really excited to share that with you all and take you along with that journey too, because it's going to be a journey. So get ready, buckle up, buttercups. We're going for a ride. Like this content, please don't forget to hit the like button. Feel free to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you've liked of my content in the past, what you might like to see going forward. Stay tuned for some fun things. Look forward to seeing my girls on here because they have agreed to come back now and again to do some content with me. And I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you here in a few days with a huge announcement. Bye. God, I'm so awkward. That's what happens when you take a, couple years off.